Hi, welcome to this parent testing informational session for LAVCA 2015-2016 school year. By the end of this short recording, you should have many of your questions answered regarding testing for this year, and you'll also know who to go to get any other questions answered that you may have. One of the first questions are, when are the testing dates? And for 3rd through 8th grade students, they will be taking the LEAP test this year, and the testing week that has been scheduled is April 25th through April 29th. It's very important that you clear your schedule now to be able to attend testing during that week. If you have any questions or concerns about attending testing during that week, at the end of this recording, I will give you the name and contact information for the person you should contact. So, who participates in testing during that week? All 3rd through 8th grade students are required to participate in testing. It's an important part of our school grade, and it gives important information to teachers for next year on how to prepare to instruct students. So, what is being tested? This year, the LEAP 2016 test is testing English Language Arts, Math, and Science. There's no history component this year. In English Language Arts, students are asked to analyze literary works and complete a narrative writing task. Math, they are asked to express mathematical reasoning, construct a mathematical argument, and apply concepts to solve real-world problems. In Science, they're asked to collect, apply, and communicate their content knowledge. So how will this testing go during that week? Testing is broken up into sessions. The first session will be a research simulation task in ELA and a math task. Session 2 will consist of either a literary analysis or a narrative writing task and a math task. Session 3 consists of reading literary and informational text in ELA and a math task. And Session 4 is all science. So if there are any changes to this testing information, how will it be communicated? Any information that we receive from the Louisiana Department of Education regarding testing will be K-mailed to you. So it's important that you be checking your K-mail for anything related to testing over the next couple of months prior to the testing dates. So how can you prepare your student for testing? Make sure they get a good night's sleep and they eat a healthy breakfast. If they arrive 30 or more minutes early, it gives them a chance to acclimate themselves to the testing site and get prepared to test. It's a time for them to enjoy the interaction they'll have with their peers. It's important to remember that pets are not allowed at the testing sites, and if you do not intend to stay during the testing session, you return promptly to pick up your student when it's over. Also, there's some great information on the Louisiana Believes website to help you prepare and practice for testing. On the Louisiana Believes websites located at www.louisianabelieves.com, there are links to a lot of great information about education. By clicking on the Assessment tab, you can see practice tests for students in grades 3 through 8 for the LEAP. Once you're on the assessment page, you can look down to the bottom and click on the Practice Tests link. This directs you to some online practice tests in ELA and mathematics. All you need to do is find the grade level, and you're given the option to download the scoring and the answer sheet. If you scroll down mid-page, here's where you can download the practice test. LAVCA has worked to have great relationships with the sites where we provide testing. We ask that parents and learning coach do all they can to help us maintain these relationships by respecting the facility guides and rules and smoking only in designated areas. So now that you know the dates that testing will take place for your child or student, how do you confirm your testing assignment? That is, know and understand where you're assigned to take your LEAP test. Testing assignments will be emailed to the learning coach via the Testing Nirvana website. Once you've received that email, it's important that you confirm every student in your family's testing assignment immediately. If you have an issue confirming your testing assignment, you should direct your questions to Mr. Eric Persley, our testing coordinator, at epersley@k12.com or 504-322-7543 extension 3084. This would also be the person that you would direct any questions regarding conflicts you may have for testing during the week of April 25th through April 29th. We are very excited to see you and your students at testing this year and look forward to a successful experience.